333% daily. To most people, that sounds like a red flag. In the traditional world, you'd be right to be skeptical. But let me be super clear, this isn't a trading company. There are no secret bots, no mysterious CEOs, and definitely no black box investments you have to blindly trust. Crypto Fortune runs as a peer-to-peer DeFi protocol. No middlemen, no funny business. It's all managed by an immutable smart contract. The whole thing is powered by the global community. Here, rewards come strictly from participation, not some magic trading formula. Let's tackle the big question: is this a Ponzi? Here's the difference. Classic Ponzis have hidden ledgers and secret leaders, but here in Crypto Fortune, the code is public, and code is law. And anyone can check the contract balance live on the blockchain. Total transparency, no secrets. Plus, the protocol is global. That means while you're sleeping, someone on the other side of the world is participating. Liquidity flows in and out constantly, around the clock. This isn't a system that pauses or sleeps. And about that 3.33%, it's not trading profit, it's a programmed reward for each 30-day participation cycle. The math is hard-coded, and nobody, not even the creators, can mess with it. You use your SafePal wallet to interact directly with the smart contract. Each day, like clockwork, your reward is triggered and paid out, automatically. At Team FIB 777, we don't make wild guesses, we just follow the protocol. So, instead of hunting for risky investments, maybe it's time to understand how decentralized technology really works. Now, take a second to read the financial disclaimer on screen. Crypto always carries risk. Never put in more than you can afford to lose, and past performance is not indicative of future results. Kindly get back to the person who sent you this video.